I'm Paul Woodford, I'm a race circuit manager, a huge petrol head, and today I'm going to show you around something a little different. Back in 2007, when Auto-Fasteners was formed, the initial aim of the company was to satisfy a demand in the automotive supply chain for a more flexible and cost-effective approach to the sourcing of fasteners. This has since developed into a global supply service for fasteners and small parts, servicing OEM and Tier 1 customers on both the serial production line and the aftermarket. Today, Auto-Fasteners operates within a range of automotive segments, including passenger car, truck, commercial, motorcycle, and also defense. The company's also geared up to develop and supply prototypes, critical when new and disruptive technologies continue to define the market. Electrification, for example, means new challenges for parts manufacturers based on weight, conductivity, temperature tolerances, and material selection. Supplying fasteners and small parts to the world's biggest automotive brands, Auto-Fasteners' approach has been proven to reduce cost, shorten lead times, minimize complexity, and eliminate errors. The company does this through a unique global sourcing single supply model, which means they can connect you to the right global manufacturers at the right time. Now you might be thinking, what does global sourcing single supply actually mean? Should we find out? Traditionally, large global fastener manufacturers would supply direct to OEM and Tier 1 production lines in the aftermarket. But that approach is geared up for high volume and rigidly scheduled production. So often these incumbents lack the flexibility required to meet the demand of a rapidly evolving industry. You want flexibility, agility, the best terms, the best price. Your only option is to multi-source your fasteners. But here's the thing, many overseas suppliers are not geared up to meet the needs of automotive manufacturing or the aftermarket. So continual and ongoing sourcing, vetting, management, logistics, quality control issues can quickly disrupt your core business. Auto-Fasteners solves this issue by bringing all products back to its UK hub for redistribution. Metal and plastic fasteners and small engineered parts covering virtually every drive type, brand and license. That means they can break bulk, do quality checks, part numbering, assembly and kitting before shipping out from their international distribution centre here in the UK to a connected global customer base. That gives you huge exposure to a wide number of quality fastener and small parts manufacturers, all centrally managed by Auto-Fasteners as your single supply partner. And of course, it gets rid of all of the problems associated with quality and logistics that you normally get when dealing with lots of global suppliers. The Auto-Fasteners manufacturer network is highly flexible and more agile than a traditional model thanks to the unique relationships that the company enjoys with its suppliers. They're committed to building this network of stakeholders across every facet of the business, further connecting customers, suppliers, systems, technologies, solutions, and people. Auto-Fasteners can deliver additional value, including manual assembly and kitting solutions. All product packaging is handled in-house with products identified, labelled and packaged to suit customer requirements. And everything is documented both to internationally recognised standards and customer specifications. That's full details of every transaction, product source, testing, inspection and dispatch. Auto-Fasteners knows that its customers expect nothing less than 100% defect-free quality products and services. In order to achieve this, they must adhere to the latest quality standards, not only within their own business, but also throughout their network of manufacturing partners and service providers. Routine quality inspections are carried out right here in the firm's own QC laboratory, with annual audits amongst the whole supply chain. Additionally, customers are actively encouraged and supported to carry out their own quality inspections and audits. In order to ensure that your products get to the right place at the right time, Auto-Fasteners operates an advanced stock control and order processing system, managing lead times and ordering schedules. The company works alongside leading international freight forwarding partners to ensure timely delivery, both from overseas suppliers to their UK facility and on from here to the global customer base. Altogether, better connected.